Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We were discussing how we can trigger a workflow by including a form in the starting of workflow, and then we can filter out the data inputted in the form through if node, and upon the filtered data we can process further our workflow. So till now we have got one item based on the conditions we provided in the true path. Now we want to further process it. I want my colleague on Slack to be notified whenever a parent selects a date which is after 7 days from now. So I will press this plus button, search for Slack, and we are not limited to Slack. We can have any messaging services like Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. Anything can be included in the workflow. So I have this Slack node, and when I press the Slack, all of the options, all of the efforts I can do with Slack are giving me as a list. So I want to send a message, so I will select this send message button, and it will prompt me with the inputs, the processing in the Slack I will have to do, and the output I will get. So the input will be this name Hussein, name of the parent Muhammad, date of the trip submitted, and form test. Now I will have to first select a account. Okay, first of all I will have to select an account. Then I will have to connect my account with this. I have an account, Slack account made on this email, so it's easy to do so. Connection was successful, and we have our account connected to the N8N. Now when my account is connected, all of the people I have as contacts will also appear here. That's the magic of N8N. So what I want to do, I want to message, I want to send that message, I want to send it to a user, or when I select channels, all of the channels I have will appear here. Okay, certified agentic AI robotic channel, new channel, social channel. But for now I want to send it to some user, and from user I have Hussein is Z1, Hussein is Z03. I want to send to Hussein is Z03. Okay, I want to send it a simple text message. The blocks here are some fancy messages that even include buttons. We will cover it in future videos. Now I want to add a message here. The message I want to add is that new parents who are asking for a field trip 7 days after today are these. Okay, now I want to make this expression dynamic. So what I will include, the JavaScript format, I will select the JSON, and the JSON is signifying all the data that is coming as input. When I put input dot, or each of the fields will appear here. Okay, and I can select the field I want to add here. So name of the child, and also JSON dot parent, name of the parent. Okay, so then I can say here, for the sake of clarity, parent name child name, and hooray, we have a beautiful message developed which can be sent automatically when a parent selects a date which is 7 days from now. Okay, now we can execute this step and check on our Slack channel whether we have got the message or not. We can even drag and drop these fields directly from here in the message, and it will do the same task as we done with our dynamic expressions. Okay, from parents who are asking for field trip is this one. Let's execute this step, and hooray, the node was executed successfully. This is showing us all of the nitty-gritty details, and let us check whether it was sent actually also or not. We had set into send SG03, and here has we have got from parents who are asking for field trip 7 days after today are these: parent name Muhammad, child name Hussein, automated with N8N flow. We need to customize it a bit. We have forgotten here a space. Let us do this, and this is 7 days. Okay, let's do it again, and we are good to go. Now, till now we were only using the test URL. Okay, so we will be covering, this video is getting long, we will be covering the whole part of this workflow in the next video.